Hi, I'm Lisa Cleveland from the Wando Mount Pleasant Library. Welcome to No Tales Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a vegetarian dish, Fettucine Alfredo. It's a very simple dish that you just need one pot and 4 ingredients, and you can make this delicious dish. You can even make it in a dorm room. So the 4 ingredients you're going to need is a box of Fettucine Alfredo noodles, a cup of whipping cream or light cream, a stick of butter, and a cup of Parmesan cheese. So first thing you're going to do is cook your pasta as directed on the box. The next thing you're going to do is take your stick of butter and melt it in your pot. You want to make sure it's completely melted. The next step is adding your cream. You want to add a cup of cream to your butter. And you want to whisk this around until it's thoroughly mixed. Now, if you want to save calories, you can also use half and half if you worry about calorie intake. Your cream sauce should just be a little bit lighter. Once the butter and the cream has totally mixed together, you're going to add your cup of Parmesan cheese. You want to bring this up to a slight boil or until the cheese is completely melted. The sauce will start thickening up. So now the cheese sauce is thick and it's coming up to a boil. What you want to do now is add your noodles. I've pre-made my noodles ahead of time, and you want to just toss it around till it's fully coated, all the noodles. And once you take it off the plate, you can add more Parmesan cheese to your taste or add a little parsley for color, but that is it. And there you have it, your Fettucine Alfredo. You can add a little more cheese if you like for taste, or a little parsley to top it off to give it a little color. But it's a simple dish that anybody can make at home. Enjoy.